Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now, at the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the third line, we have the button Disconnect. Need to tap at this button. And before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave your speaker at the device list. In the future, you can reconnect it with your phone. If you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So, if you need this, just click the Forget this device button. But let's disconnect it. So, disconnect. And as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect the speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!